Hey guys, we got several questions for Python pandas for loop. Therefore, in this Python tutorial for data scientists, I will explain how to loop in a Python pandas data frame. Let's start our explanation. We have a data frame with 4 columns. The columns are foo, bar, bast, and su. The data frame is always associated with an index. In this case, the index 0 to 5. In the same way, the panda series is related to an index. The first method, iterRows, it's a generator that iterates over a data frame and extracts a panda series. This means the iterRows generator extracts the row value from its index and the column name. This extraction means that every time the iterRows loops over the data frame, it extracts an entire row. For example, after our first looping, the values that would be extracted are the values from row index 0 with the column names. The result is a panda series. Let's program. We created the same data frame from the example. We must first print the data frame to check if the Python data frame corresponds to the one in the example. Print df. We open our console, call Python and the script name, Python dataframe2.py. Enter. After we press enter, we check the Python data frame corresponds to the one from the example. Now, for looping, we must create a for-in instruction with the index from the data frame. For index row in df iterRows, print row. I will add the type from the row to corroborate that it's a series. Additionally, I will add a break instruction while I want to get the first row values.
Remember that you can download all the scripts that we are presenting here in our web page. Everything is for free, and like our videos. Follow us.
We open our console and call Python dataframe2.py. Enter. The result shows the first row from the data frame with the corresponding index value as the name of the panda series and the column names. Additionally, we got the type as a panda series. But what if we want to get just the values from the columns foo? In that case, we have to add the value name foo to the row. Print row foo. The reason is that every time the loop goes down for reading, it will read and print just the value from the row with the name value of the series. In this case, just the value from foo. Let's call Python dataframe2.py. Enter. And we got just the values corresponding to the rows of foo column. What if you want to get the values from the foo and bar? In that case, you just have to add a print instruction with the value row bar and run the script Python dataframe2.py. Enter. We will get as a result the 2 columns from the data frame foo and bar. Have you thought about the data type of the series? In the next videos, I will explain that. In this video, we'll learn how to loop in a Python pandas data frame from rows and columns.
Please remember to visit our page and download these scripts. And please remember to subscribe to our channel, visit our social media if you want to become a data scientist.
Bye.